3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. Today I have a simple DIY for you guys. We are going to make crop twist top. I don't know how to explain it. But I think the way we make the twist headbands, that's how we are going to make the top. So I don't know what happened, but I was just seated sometime last week and I was just like, I could make a cute bikini, but then I was like, how do I make the top? And I didn't want to make like the ones that look like bralettes, the ones that have straps. So I thought, that idea came to mind, like, let me just make it the way we make those headbands and then we see how it turns out. I have not tried it, so we are going to try it together, but I have done most of the work and the hemming. So let me show you what I want to do. So I'm taking my bust measurements. So my bust measurement is 36. Yeah, 36. Yes. And you'll just take your bust measurement and how wide you want your top to be, yeah. And then, so for me, my measurements were 36 and 9 inches, 36 round my bust and 9 inches going like this, because I didn't want something so tiny. So let me show you what I did. So I don't know if you can see me well. Better? Yeah. So I know you know this fabric from the previous videos or video, yeah. So what I did is I cut this strip of fabric. So that is 34. It was 34 by 9 inches. I cut 34 by 9 inches because remember my bust is 36, but this fabric is stretchy, so I wanted it to like hold the things together, hold the things properly, hold my boobies properly. So that is why I cut it 34, and then after hemming, I don't know how long it is, but I'm sure it will fit because it is a stretchy fabric. So I have already done the hemming. As you can see, I hemmed the top, the bottom, the sides are good, So what I'm going to do is so that part is going to be our center. So just like we do the headbands, I'm just going to do a twist at the front. So that means I'll have to mark the halves. I'll mark the center of this point. So my center is approximately there. You can see it. So then what I'm going to do is take one side. Remember, the right side is on the inside, the wrong side is on the outside. So I'll take this end and put it at the center here, like that. And then this other one comes like that. And then this remaining one goes to the other side. So you have something like that. Am I making sense? If I need to repeat, okay, if anyone hasn't seen, if there's someone who hasn't understood, let me just repeat the process. So this part is going to be the center of our top, and this point and this point is the center of the width, you get? So what I'm going to do is basically that. Can you see? And then that, are we together? And then you're gonna put this here like that, and then this remaining part goes to the back like that. And then I'm just going to sew it down like that. That's it. Sew it down like that, then I show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is it. I'm done sewing this part like that. And you remember in the last video when I used this fabric, I told you how hard this fabric is to work with, so that's why you can see this. Yeah, but that's it. I've just sewn that, and then now we flip it. If you flip it to the right side, boom, imagine. I'm so excited to try this. I'm so excited. I'm kind of a reserved person when it comes to the upper part, but I'm really excited to try this on for you guys. Really. Okay, let me do that. That's how it goes on.